This is the eastern gray squirrel. They live in suburban and urban areas of temperate forests like Georgia. They are the most common species of squirrels found at Georgia Tech. In this lab, we observed their behaviors and organized them into 4 categories: vigilance, alert feeding, foraging, and social. Every week this semester, our students took note of factors such as the squirrel's proximity to safety, as in a tree or burrow, and watched their behaviors over 5-minute periods, giving us 16 total observations. This is Tech Green, the central green space of Georgia Tech. This is also one of the busiest places on campus, as various events are hosted here and students walk either around or through the lawn to get around campus. Due to the busy, high-traffic nature of Tech Green, this led me to question whether a squirrel's proximity to a safe tree here affected how many times vigilance was observed. I hypothesized that squirrels at Tech Green would spend more time being vigilant when they are closest to safety because they are comfortable enough to eavesdrop on students' conversations and scan the neighborhood for any threats. To isolate my data of interest, I uploaded our campus observation data into R and only looked at data from the GT campus where Tech Green was mentioned in the location description. Then I categorized the Tech Green observations into 4 groups based on the squirrel's proximity to safety. The options were 0 meters, less than 3 meters, 3 to 15 meters, and 15 to 30 meters away from safety. With this, I was able to use R to find the mean number of vigilance observations that were recorded when studying squirrels at those various ranges. I plotted these values in a simple bar graph to look for patterns. Using R, I plotted a bar graph that depicts average numbers of vigilance observations recorded as a function of the squirrel's proximity to safety. For squirrels that were found in trees or on burrows, the average number of vigilance observations was 4.54. For those less than 3 meters from safety, the average number was 3.16. For those that were 3 to 15 meters away, the average was found to be only 1 vigilance observation, and for those 15 to 30 meters away, the average was found to be 0 vigilance observations. This allows us to conclude that squirrels in urban, busy areas will spend more time practicing vigilance when they are at home and feel the safest, rather than out in the middle of the green space amidst the crowds. The implications of this research are that squirrels feel most comfortable and can actually complete their daily tasks when they are closer to trees due to being able to scan the environment for threats. Therefore, in the midst of all this deforestation, communities like Georgia Tech need to ensure that habitats are in abundance for species like the eastern gray squirrel. Protecting our wildlife is crucial for maintaining our biodiversity. In the future, this study should be replicated in rural, more isolated ecosystems. This would reveal whether proximity to safety only plays a role in vigilance when humans are present.